1, 27, 25. Got the heater working. There was a leak way back here. We put this RTV silicone, good for 500 degrees heat. And then that sealed up. And then originally this pilot thing was all clogged up with soot. So we had to take all this out, gut it out, blow away a lot of soot, put it back. Now it worked. But then I had a gas leak. So we repaired the gas leak. Then I took this cover off and then took all these screws off and then got the RTV back and then put everything back, put the RTV here. I also removed this thing, which wasn't really necessary. And now the pilot's on. You can see it on. You lift up this little window and there's your pilot. You can adjust the pilot either something like here, I believe, down here. This is really not designed to be touched. But after learning, okay, so that's my window for the pilot. See if I can tighten this nut. Okay, that's a little bit tighter now. Let's go ahead and hope for the best. It's alive. So this is kind of an old school unit where it has this heating bulb here, and once the heating bulb heats up, then that's how it turns off. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's not really built for a thermostat, which would have been nice if I could have a wall thermostat turning it on and off. But it's used by this bulb. Maybe there's a modification out there that somehow you can modify this using a positive and negative, or a wire that can adjust the thermostat here. But right now, let's say it's adjusted to number 2, and that's how strong it's going to be. All right. While it's working, you can feel the heat. I'm going to go ahead and spray some water on this thing. It was tough putting this pilot tube back because the angle here is kind of off. So we had to remove this body here so these two can mate, and after that put it back. Of course you have to open this screw too. This thing wiggles back and forth. Whoa, that heat is strong. I can feel it already. Fire. Looking for any gas leaks. Alright, so we're gonna end this video. Everything seems to be working.